Alright, we're going to shampoo a living room and a hall. Now we vacuumed this carpet and pre-sprayed it, so we only have water in the machine.
so good. Whew, well, I'm sweating up a storm. Texas has been off and on rainy, hot and humid for like a month now. It's unbearable. Makes you think you can't wait for winter.
Well, this is past the middle of September, and it's supposed to be 99 degrees today. So.
Ooh, I believe it.
Did you just run out of water?
I think I came close. There's not really a lot of water in the tank. Pull it from me, would you?
Oh, I can't really.
Hold on a minute. We can't leave it like that.
I don't think this guy owns a vacuum, so Joe'll probably come back up here after the carpet's dry, completely vacuum this for him, get all these marks out.
Maybe.
Unless he doesn't mind them the way they are.
Let's see how much water. Come over here. Let's see how much water we used. Okay. I put 1.5 gallons of water in here, and I'm down to here.
All right.
That's the full line.
It wasn't empty at all.
Whew, no, they keep going. The rug doctor machines, you do a living room like this and you're going to be out of water. This, I did the living room in the hall and I got a ton of water.
They put more water down than we already noticed that the rug doctors put down more water than the Bissells do.
Watch out, you're on the cord. While I'm here, I'm just going to clean this tank up right quick before I leave.
Oh, I'm not going to video all that.
No, that's not interesting.
Alright, an interesting story. This is the original Bissell that we had. We brought the other one up here and it's something wrong with it. It's defective. So we're going to have to send it back to Bissell. Bissell sent it to us.
We're going to go home and look at it and see if there's something.
Yeah, we'll check it out and see if there's some little...
So if you order one of these, you better check them out when they come and don't just put them up and figure you'll use them later. You got a warranty period, so use them while you can. Yeah,
the flow indicator didn't turn. It doesn't put any water down.
Yeah.
So we're going to go see if maybe there's a shut-off or something in there when you connect a hose.
And you don't want to get gypped.
Maybe we can connect a hose and see if that works. And if not, we'll just call Bissell and get an exchange or a refund on that one. But to
be honest with you, if we end up returning that, we could theoretically buy another rug doctor and have a Bissell and a rug doctor because they both are really good machines.
yeah. But anyway, I'm going to stop this video here. He's going to try to line up another job this afternoon, maybe. But I mean, it's Saturday, so who knows? But unless we do another job, this is it for the weekend. But hope you guys enjoyed that. Until next time, thanks for watching.